So if you're new to my channel, I just want to give you a quick background on my journey, just so that you have a full understanding of what I talk about and what I do. So I've been selling on eBay now for the past 10 years, I would say, maybe 12 years. I've been selling on eBay for a very long time. And what I mainly talk about on this channel is how to build businesses on eBay, how to build businesses on Shopify. But the main software that really allowed me to build up my business on eBay many years ago was Terapeak. Now, if you don't know what Terapeak is a software that allows you to find hot selling products, and it really allows you to dig deep into the analytics of different aspects of selling on eBay. So that's what I used when I initially started on eBay. I initially used Terapeak to find hot selling products and ultimately grow my business to the point that it's at now. So the main way that you can find Terapeak is by logging into your eBay sellers account. If you're registered as an eBay seller and you're assigned to an eBay store subscription, you'll be able to access Terapeak for free. So the basic store costs around £19 a month or £99 a month. I'm not sure how much it is in dollars in the US, but it's going to be roughly $20 or $30 per month for you to sign up for an eBay sellers account. And from there, you'll be able to gain access to Terapeak. But one thing that you guys need to be aware about is that Terapeak was actually a third-party software in 2016. It was actually in 2017 that eBay actually purchased Terapeak and integrated it into their own platform. But before that, Terapeak was actually a separate software. And the reason why I want to bring this up is that when Terapeak was a separate software, there was other things that you could do with it. There was a lot more flexibility and a lot more research that you could do when it came to finding hot selling products when Terapeak was a third-party software. So this now brings me on to the main question of the video, which is which one is better, Zik Analytics or Terapeak? So what exactly is Zik Analytics? Zik Analytics is the #1 eBay research product tool, and it allows you to check different information when it comes to selling on eBay, e.g. the niche, category research, checking various different seller information in terms of your competitors. It also allows you to uncover hot categories that are trending at the moment, and it also allows you to rank your product to page #1, which I'm going to go a bit more into detail later on about. So what I want to do now is just quickly run through some of the benefits that you can get from using Zik Analytics that you can't necessarily get if you was to use Terapeak. Now, I'm not necessarily saying that you shouldn't use Terapeak, as Terapeak is something that I used when it came to me building my business to the point that it is now on eBay, which is over 7 figures. So I'm not necessarily going to say Terapeak is bad, but now that eBay's actually purchased Terapeak, they've taken away a couple things that actually helped me build my business to the stage that it's at now, that Zik Analytics still has. So I'm just going to quickly break down some of the things that you can't do with Terapeak that you can do with Zik Analytics. So let's get right into it. All right, so I've just jumped over to my Terapeak dashboard. So this is what Terapeak looks like, and I'm just going to use a random product as an example just to illustrate what I'm talking about when it comes to the differences between Terapeak and Zik Analytics. So the product that I'm going to use today is dog harness, which is one of my favorite examples to use when it comes to showing you guys what I'm talking about. So what I'm going to do is just click on research. But this is the key information that is showing us, which is the average sold price, postage and packaging information right there, the total amount that was sold, the sell-through rate, which is very important. If you've watched my videos on how to find hot selling products, you know that the sell-through rate is important. So that's very useful right there. The total sellers that are selling the product and the total amount of sales that was made from this particular keyword, which is dog harness. So Terapeak is very useful if you're looking for the basic information when it comes to doing product research on eBay. But let me just jump over to Zik Analytics and give you an idea of how Zik Analytics works and the differences between Zik Analytics and Terapeak. All right, so I'm on my Zik Analytics dashboard. Straight away, we can see that there's a lot more information and a lot more data that we can research. At the top right here, we can see that there's product research, competitor research, Ali Growth Scanner, which allows you to check the hot selling products on AliExpress, which is also very useful when it comes to doing Shopify dropshipping and eBay dropshipping as well if you want to use AliExpress. I've already made a video showing you how I use this section here, Ali Growth Scanner. I'm going to link it above. You can watch that after you've watched this, and I show you the 10 hot selling products that you can dropship on Shopify. But that's very useful if you want to do Shopify dropshipping as well. It also has Turbo Scanner and the 500 best selling items on eBay right now. On the side here, we've got a few more options. We've got the product research again, competitor research. I've also got category research on my Zik Analytics, which is not what I have on Terapeak. They've also got title builder, which is very important when it comes to eBay SEO, which is what you need when it comes to structuring your title so that you can rank higher in the eBay search results. They've also got this option here, which is called My Products, which is what allows you to save all the products that you're currently searching on so that you can monitor the trends as well. So there's so much information that you can get from Zik Analytics that you can't necessarily get from Terapeak. But the main thing that I want to point out that Zik Analytics has that Terapeak doesn't, which really allowed me to build my business on eBay many years ago, which is the competitor research tool. When I used to use Terapeak in 2016, they actually had this option, but since eBay purchased Terapeak, they discontinued it on their platform because they don't want people researching what the competitors are doing on the eBay platform because they believe that it's not really fair. But Zik Analytics still have it, which I think is very useful, and it allows you to check some key information that you need when it comes to building your business online. So what I'm going to do is just quickly quickly show you how I use this option, which is the competitor research tool that allowed me to build my business to over 7 figures. So let's go. All right, guys, so I've just jumped back over to eBay and I just want to show you the store name here. As you can see, Huggle Pets, but I'm just going to quickly show you what I do when it comes to doing competitor research. So let's say if I was selling dog harnesses on my own eBay store and I wanted to know what other products I could sell, I'm just going to copy and paste the company's name and then come over to Zik Analytics. And what you're going to do with your competitor's username on eBay is just paste it in here and then click on search. And then once you do that, it's going to bring up so much information in terms of the sell-through rate, in terms of how much they're actually selling successfully, the active listings, you know, the sold items within the last 30 days, how much money they've made. As we can see, this company has made £119,000 in the last 30 days. So the reason why this helped me when it came to building my business on eBay is because I was able to check on what my competitors were doing and consistently keep adding their hot selling products to my stores. And not only that, it also gave me the motivation that I needed to continue pushing. Seeing that my competitors were doing numbers like this, if I was selling dog harnesses, it gave me the push to know that I can also achieve this number as well if I keep growing, continue adding the hot selling products to my stores. So that's why I believe that this competitor research tool is very useful when it comes to building your business. And this is one of the key things that really helped me build my business, and that's why I want to share it with you guys. So whatever business that you guys have out there, you'll be able to check on exactly what your largest competitor on eBay is doing. And then from that point, you'll know whether or not it's even worth doing. Because if you're checking your largest competitor that's selling a lot of the products in your niche and they're only doing £5,000 a month, then maybe that's not the business that you want to pursue. So for anyone out there that's currently selling pet products, this number I'm sure is going to motivate you to want to be the best and continue growing. So for example, if you're only doing £10,000 a month in sales, because this company is able to do £119,000 in sales in 30 days, I'm sure that it's going to want to push you to do 20,000, maybe 50,000, because this shows the potential of what your business can do. So this is the key things that I would do when it came to using Terapeak in 2016. But this is one of the key reasons why I would advise you to use Zik Analytics, because it's very useful when it comes to doing so much things. Not only competitor research, it also has a very good product research tool as well that you're able to check various different products. So if I come over here and type in dog harness, it brings up similar information to what's on Terapeak, you know, the sales earning, how many items were sold, the total listings. So again, I'm not necessarily saying Terapeak is bad. Terapeak is also good and it also shows you whatever information you're trying to get. But if you want to dig a little bit deeper and just generally have a bit more tools to your disposal when it comes to doing product research to build your eBay store, then Zik Analytics might be something you might want to look into. So if you want to gain access to Zik Analytics for 7 days, you can use the link down below, because that's going to allow you to go through for a whole 7 days and see whether or not Zik Analytics is for you. You'll be able to go through and use all of these different things that I've mentioned in this video. But if you do decide to stay on Zik Analytics for longer than 7 days, what you can do is that you can contact the chat option, tell them that you came through Success with Sam, and what they're going to do is that they're going to give you a discount that they currently have an offer. But make sure you sign up using the link down below, otherwise they might decline your request for a credit. That's it for the video, guys, and I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to press the like button, as it really helps out the channel in a big way. I really appreciate that. Whilst you're down there, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification, because I'm currently releasing videos every couple days to help you with your eBay business or your Shopify business. Don't forget to add me on Instagram as well, because I'm currently doing monthly giveaways and you don't want to miss that. So make sure you add me on Instagram. Comment down below and let me know what you thought of the video. If you're going to use Terapeak, if you're going to use Zik Analytics, let me know down below. I'd love to hear from you. All right, guys, I'll see you on the next one. Make sure you stay safe out there. Peace.